In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your calendars using Google Calendar. This is a handy process if you want to back up your events or migrate your schedule to another calendar service. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Calendar. Ensure you are viewing the week of August 31st, 2025. Just for reference, this won't affect the process, but it helps when you're checking specific dates. Open your web browser and go to your Google Calendar by typing in the URL or searching for it on Google. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't interacted with it for some time. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a gear icon. This is the settings menu. Click on this icon to proceed to the settings section. The drop-down menu that appears is full of various options you might find handy down the line, but for our purposes today, we need to focus on one specific function. Select Settings from this menu. This will redirect you to a new page where you'll be able to adjust different aspects of your calendar experience. On the left side of your screen, within the list of settings options, you'll see a tab labeled Import and Export. Click on this tab. This section allows you to bring in or take out calendar events in a seamless way, ensuring you can transport your information efficiently when needed. Upon entering the Import and Export section, direct your attention to the lower part of the menu where you'll find an option labeled Export. Click on it and you will initiate the process of downloading your calendar data. Your calendars will be exported as a zip file containing a .ical file for each calendar. The zip file is a special compressed file format which makes downloading practical and efficient. It's essentially a container for your calendar data. Once the download is complete, the zip file will typically land in your Downloads folder or whichever location your default download settings specify. You can always go back and reopen this file whenever you need your calendar data handy or wish to import it elsewhere. If you run into difficulties opening this type of file, consider using a standard file extractor to access its contents. Exporting your Google Calendar events is a straightforward task once you're familiar with these settings, giving you the power to back up important data or transfer your entire schedule effortlessly. Having your calendar saved locally is also a smart move for those who like to have backups of important information. That's it for today's tutorial, and I hope this guide has been clear and useful to you. If there are any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.